Not sure if Stripe is really the right fit for your business? Let's do a quick side by side comparison. A simple sheet like this makes it clear where the two processors differ. Stripe is easy to start, but they often restrict industries like coaching, info products, or even businesses processing over 50K a month. EasyPay Direct, on the other hand, underwrites upfront and is built for these models. They are designed to support content creators, high volume merchants, and subscription businesses without surprise freezes. With EasyPay Direct, you also get transaction routing and 250 plus integrations, so your payments run smoothly no matter how you grow. It's built to give you stability without the headaches. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out if you want to see how it stacks up for your own business. Instead of guessing which processor is safer, you can set up a merchant account designed for creators, coaches, and info product businesses. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.